about the importance of religious and worldly education. Briefly, the mean to understand the path, striving and development of man. Without education, a person is considered in early blind. He fails to observe the situation in their right context. It gets a man to make a good decision. Secondly, education prepares and qualifies our new generation for participation in the cultural development. Having good education, succeeding generation may benefit from the knowledge and experience of their participation. This is why Islam stress on education is basically for two reasons. Firstly, education makes a man right thinker. Without education, makes right thinker. Without education, a person is considered inwardly blind. He fails to observe the situation in their right context. Thanks.
माशाअल्लाह, बहुत अच्छे अंदाज में आपको